You can make money by buying dogs token low and selling it high. You buy dogs token when the market is at deep, and you sell it when the market is pumping. So in this video, I'll be showing you. You will learn one, how to buy dogs coin, what condition that will make you to buy dog coin, and how to sell dog coin. Exactly the step-by-step guide that you need to do this. I'll be showing you in this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that next when I publish video content, you'll be the first to receive the notification. Alright guys, let's get started. Okay, so to buy dogs or any other token and trade it and make money, do you buy it when the market is not okay, and you sell it when the market is pumping and the price is increasing? To do that on Binance, okay, so the first thing you need to do is to come to wallet. Okay, now what you need is USDT. But before coming to this place, how do you know that the market is dropping or the market is in deep? To know that, you can use an app called CoinGecko. Okay, a platform called CoinGecko. It has an app and you can also access it through the website. So this is the application. This is the application, or this is the platform, CoinGecko. Now on CoinGecko, come to this place and search dogs. So it has most of the tokens. You can get most of the tokens here. Okay. Now when you inside dog, this is the chart, the dogs chart, and you can see here 13.8% decrease. This arrow pointing that is red arrow, 13.8% decrease in the price of dogs in 24 hours. Okay, you can see that in 7 days it has decreased. Look at the chart. It's showing downward. So this means that the price of dogs, okay, is coming down, and you know that this particular project has huge potential. Okay, that being said, once you have gotten this information, then you now come to Binance to buy it. So on Binance, we are on wallet. When you open Binance, but where you will come to will be this home page. But to trade, go to wallet and know and assess and identify and determine that you have USDT to trade. Okay, so you need USDT to trade. Have $8 worth of USDT here. Now to buy USDT, you need to use P2P platform, either through somebody that you trust or through P2P platform on Bybit or any other platform. So the next thing we need to do is to go to trade. Okay, I'm on trade. On this trade, when you come to this trade, you search dogs, any token you want. Look at dogs USDT. That means we are using USDT to buy dogs. Okay, to do this trade successfully, I need to explain two options to you. The first option is market. You can see this market. What it means is that when you use market order, it means you are buying that particular coin at the price that the market is showing you. For example, if you click on want to buy now, okay, to show you buy at this price, at this 0.0010840. So we will buy at that price. Then when we use limit order, it means we can set a particular price that we are interested in buying. Let's say we are interested in buying at this price, we can set it. Then once the market gets to that price, automatically buys for us. But for the purpose of this teaching, I'll use market order. So for market order, what we need to do is to how many do we want to buy? Let's say we want to buy $3 worth of Doge. So we are write it here. Okay, I've written it there. Then you click on buy. Automatically it buys. Okay, so automatically it has bought it. You can see that the available balance is now $5. So when I come to this place, I will see, okay, you can see that I now have $16.666 worth of Doge. Okay, now I've bought it, and let's assume the market is now good and price of Doge has pumped. What I need to do is to go back to trade. Okay, instead of buying, I'll click on sell. Then I will sell that amount of Doge that I bought. I'll say the amount of Doge that I bought. You can see this 25%, this 50%, this 75%, this 100%. Okay, so let's just say this amount. You can even type the amount that you want. I bought $3 worth. Okay, I'll set $3 worth at the market price. You can also use limit price. If you believe that the price will go higher, use limit price. If you believe that, if you don't believe, you're not sure, you're not confident that the price will go a bit higher, then you should leave it at the price it is, then sell and leave the market. And also you can also sell by percentage, like I just explained. So I'll sell $3 worth of Doge. Okay, let's come to this place and see if my USDT has increased. Okay, you can see that my USDT has increased and my Doge has decreased. Okay guys, this is simply how to make money trading dogs and any other token. You buy when the market is low, when the price is low, and you sell when the price is high. And this is how to do it. If you find this video helpful and useful, kindly subscribe to this channel, comment, and share it with your friends and other people so they can also benefit. There's on top of this channel, there's a video on how to use Tonkeeper wallet to make money from Ton ecosystem. Ton ecosystem has a lot of opportunities. Learn how to use Tonkeeper wallet to make money. Also, if you are new to crypto, you should start by reading a free ebook I wrote called Crypto Millionaire. Get it in the description section.